One is really personal. We wanted to stay away from the US, travel to India often. Pre-COVID times, definitely not anymore. Haven't seen my family in the past 1 year. So yeah, anyways. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and you're watching IMMI Australia. So in today's video, I will be sharing our story of why we chose to immigrate to Australia and not any other country. So stick around and let's get started with this video. So let's start with the basics. So actually, honestly, I never got a say in whether we should move to Australia or to Canada, UK, US, or any other country in the world for that matter. So some of you might have already known that I moved to Australia because I married an Australian permanent resident. So my husband was an Australian permanent resident. Then we got married and we applied for a spouse visa, and eventually I moved to Australia. So whatever I will be sharing in today's video is my husband's rationale for choosing Australia over other countries. So with that information, let's get started with the video. Also, before we deep dive into the details, I would just like to say that this is our rationale, this is our opinion. Yours could be different than us. Just putting it out there so that I don't get bashed for making any comments right now. So basically, when Arun, my husband, decided to immigrate, he shortlisted 4 countries: UK, US, Canada, and Australia. But then the Trump government was elected in the US, and it became really difficult for Indians to get permanent residency in the US. And similarly, even UK was not granting many permanent residencies to Indians. So both of these countries were out of question. Now we were left with Canada versus Australia, the evergreen question that most Indians face when they are deciding where to immigrate. So what we did next was we shortlisted a few cities in both the countries and compared their climate. Now, what we found through our comparison was that we would prefer the weather or the climate of the Australian cities over the Canadian cities, and this was our choice. The Canadian cities usually had really harsh winters and we were not ready to face that. I'm not saying that Canada does not have pleasant weather or the winters are not harsh in Australia. Definitely, I know it very well living in Melbourne, but still, through our comparison, we felt more comfortable with Australian weather, and that is one of the major reasons why we chose Australia over Canada. The next one is proximity to Asia. So as we all know, Australia is closer to Asia as compared to Canada. We wanted to live near Asia so that we can travel back and forth if we wanted to, because we are really homesick people and we travel to India often. Pre-COVID times, definitely not anymore. Haven't seen my family in the past 1 year. So yeah, anyways, definitely as Australia is closer to Asia, it takes us lesser amount of time to go fly back to India and then fly to Australia. So that was also one of the reasons why we chose Australia, as it was closer to Asia/India for us. Do let me know in the comment section below, what is your biggest question or confusion that you're facing when deciding where to immigrate? The next one is the time difference between Australian Eastern Standard Time and Indian Standard Time. So Australian Eastern Standard Time, which is the time that we have in Sydney and Melbourne, is 4.5 hours ahead of India when daylight saving ends. But when we have daylight saving, that is between October to April, Australia is 5.5 hours ahead of India. So this time difference is still manageable because I can still call my parents at noon, around noonish, and it's early morning in India and it's fine. It's a good time to catch up. But if I'm not wrong, Canada is almost 9 hours behind India. So the time difference is greater and it is difficult to catch up with friends and families. That is my opinion. That is what my husband's rationale was. So we did not want to move to Canada and we chose Australia as the time difference was smaller and it makes easier for us to catch up with our friends and families in India.
Also guys, I just wanted to update you that from this week onwards, I will be uploading my videos every Sunday at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So you can expect new videos every Sunday. So now my schedule is fixed and now you know when to expect my videos.
One of the biggest reasons for moving to Australia was that we already had friends and family living in Australia. So we already had an existing support system in Australia, which definitely is something we preferred when we were moving to an entirely new country. We also had a few friends who had decided with us to move to Australia. So that was a bonus. So we already had friends and families living in Australia, plus we had some more friends who were joining us when we were moving to Australia. So the uncertainty was reduced to some extent, and there was some comfort factor as we already knew a few people in Australia, and that was a big major deciding factor between Australia and Canada. And although I love so many things about Australia, there are definitely things that I don't like about this country, and I've made a video on this. If you'd like to watch that video, I will link the video up here, so make sure go check that out. But I've also talked about a lot of other things that I love about Australia, and I've also made another video about that. So if you're interested, definitely watch that video out here. And this one is really personal, and that is that we wanted to stay away from the US. So a lot of my friends and families are usually fascinated by the US, and they want to visit US, they want to move to US, immigrate to US and whatnot. But in our case, we wanted to stay away from the US. And as we all know, Canada is geographically really close to the US, and not just geographically, they have really good diplomatic relationships as well. We wanted to stay away from the US. No grudges against the US. Definitely, I would love to enjoy Christmas at Times Square. No offense there. But it's just our personal choice that we wanted to stay away from the US, and that is why Australia was a better option as compared to Canada. So definitely there were other reasons for choosing Australia over Canada, like ever since childhood, Australia was my favorite country. God knows why. I always wanted to feed the kangaroos, etc., etc. But jokes apart, there were actually many other reasons on why we chose Australia over Canada, and it was difficult for me to accommodate everything into one video. So if you would like to see a part 2 of this video, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make another video. And that's it for today's video. So if you like this video, like always, hit that like button, share this with your friends who are confused between Australia, US, UK, Canada and whatnot. And stay tuned for more such videos. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you know when part 2 is uploaded. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.